welcome to the solar hardware part of today's program. My name is Trygve Mongstad. I'm the CEO and founder of Over Easy Solar, and we have developed what is now the first truly prefabricated solution for flat rooftop solar installations. And we're now raising €5 million. Big green button. Flat rooftop solar is a well-established business, but it does have some limitations and problems. One thing that's coming up now is the timing of the energy production. Most of the energy is produced during the middle of the day when the energy prices are zero or even negative. We'll come back to that more in detail afterwards with Next to Sun, who is also working with vertical panels. Secondly, the conventional way of mounting solar panels on flat rooftops is very complex, both with the planning and the mounting, not a very modern way of doing it. Thirdly, they're based on ballast to keep the modules down on the roof, making the installations normally very heavy so that you cannot retrofit solar panels on all existing buildings. And there are other compatibility issues when it comes to certain types of rooftops, as green roofs, cool roofs, so you just can't fit regular conventional solar panels on most flat rooftops, actually. Our solution is what we call the VPV unit. It's a unique and patented solution with vertical bifacial solar panels. Vertical means that they are vertical. Bifacial means that they are producing energy from both sides. And it's a totally prefab solution, very plug and play, and the fastest possible way to mount solar installations on a flat rooftop. So we have developed this unique hardware, which is at the core of our company. We now also implemented a software layer to simplify the planning and the whole process before ordering for our partners. And next step now is to implement an AI layer into this model as well, because as we know, machines are good at solving problems for us, and the engineering that we do can very easily and quickly be done by AI. We have delivered now about 50 installations in 15 different countries, or more than 50, in more than 15 countries to be exact. And we are in a good place now preparing for what is a new dynamic in the rooftop solar market here in Europe, because it's going to be obligatory to mount solar panels basically on all commercial and public buildings that will be built. This is being rolled out already in less than a year from now. The company was founded in 2021. Then we spent about 3 years developing the product and doing prototyping in R&D. Then towards the end of 2023, we launched the first commercial product. Then 2024, I came here at Eco Summit for the first time. That's when it all started commercially. And now we're actually in a very different place where we launched a new updated version of the product towards the end of last year. And now over 6 months we have more than doubled our accumulated deliveries. And this is just now the start of the journey. So we're planning to double or triple our revenues and deliveries every year over the next coming years, reaching a revenue of €100 million by 2030. And what's interesting here, two things, that we can do this at high margins, but also this is still in 2030 at 100 million revenue, just a tiny percentage of the total flat rooftop solar market. We're now raising €5 million in order to scale up our sales and marketing in our core markets, professionalize our supply chain and increase our margins on our sales, to lower our production costs, and introducing this AI layer to really supercharge the deployment of our technology together with our installation partners. Here you see some examples of installations we have delivered over the last year. We're beating a world record in vertical solar for rooftops every year, and this year is no exception. We will be announcing a new world record very soon. Thank you very much for your attention.